Okay, so let's play Flimbo's quest. And get a new run. And I'm gonna get rid of all those sleeper snakes because they are always the most dangerous. And the big boys because they give the most points. I think I picked up time. So that's the buggy level. Let's hope that it's gonna stay nice. Yeah, Amiga emulation is very heavy on the CPU. I don't know what CPU you got, but only since I got the newest Intel generation, I can stream and play without problem. Because Amiga emulation really is sometimes difficult. It depends on who made the game and what they did for the game. Because not all of them, of course, use all the resources of the Amiga, and the emulation is smart. So it doesn't ask you to always give up all your resources. But some games really take all of it. Okay, we got the purple heart. Let's remember this. If we get the option of getting other hearts. Get the big boy here. Go. So cat coming up. Let's go, cat. But getting an extra life is important. So if we can get extra lives, I think that always has priority. Because kill will give us all the other things we don't have. This game is not easy on the eyes. Arisen 3 7X is good enough. That is way good enough. Yeah, it's just still like the emulation. It's still emulation, right? And I had an Amiga for years. Even the real Amiga has a hard time dealing with some of these games. So, could also be the games, you know. But yeah, the emulation is a bit more stable on these, you said. The 1660 is not gonna be an issue. Graphics are never an issue for the Amiga. It's maximum the CPU. And it's made so it would run on an MX 440. So on really old CPUs as well. Maybe it's really the streaming, because streaming can be hard, but you can change the streaming when you're playing Amiga to render from your graphics card. If you render from a graphics card, I think it's going to be good. We get purple heart, so we take green heart now. See, now it's hiding there. It's nailed. They're hiding, that's the worst, because you just run into them and die. Give me this core. Bees are the best. Or wasps. I mean, I hate them in real life, but in the game they're very decent. Don't run away from me. So there we go. Let's get the heart there. Yeah, 32 gigabytes of RAM too. That's all more than enough. Yeah, and I will never do more than 1080p. Oh, you're on VDSL. That's, yeah, but that would only be like bad video quality or something like that, right? I wouldn't fear that. Okay, let's get the money first of all. That's something we forgot to do. Because maybe we still get our heart, and I want that extra heart. We got green and purple now, so I think blue and brown is still needed. Bigger cards need new screen check, and good screens are not cheap. I know, that's the same why I still have my older graphics card because I'm still running DVI-D for 144 Hz. I don't want to give that up. Getting a new graphics card would make me need to get a new monitor. Yeah, it's gonna be so expensive. I don't have that money. I'm training for a new job at the moment, so I can't afford this. Okay, we got 2 hearts. But let's get the money. Maybe we're lucky and we'll get a heart. Yeah, he's the guy we need, but we're gonna get the money first. We picked up 2 clocks, so we are good on time. There we go. Okay, so let's try to get it in the proper order. Oh, fuck. So much so. But buying the ladders is going to be important, I think, going forward from World... Or maybe for World 3. World 3 is the worst when it comes in terms of level stability, I think. Maybe that's the way to go about it. Always nice to have some games where I can not just play a bit and then I know all of it. Where I need to work for it. That's one of these games. Okay. My screen is 165 Hz, 0 ms, and it's an AOC. The AOC are really good screens, I like them. If I were getting a new screen, I would rather have these because all the... Oh no, it's a purple one. I think we got purple already, right? I mean... I think we got purple already. That's bad. I should have shot it or waited a bit. Oh, we just take the scroll and enter level here. In my opinion, that's the most stable way of taking that solution. No money, alright. Good. Aha! A letter. Thanks, he says. A friend of mine got a 4090. It's as big as a PlayStation 5. Then he bought like new screens for it and everything. I think that was 4,000 euros that he paid for all that stuff. I couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it. So much money. Okay, let's wait till he crashes into the water. They have such a weird hitbox, you have to kill them as soon as you can or just avoid them all in all. Maybe one will give us a heart. Blue heart or brown heart, that's what we want. That's what we learned. So, but we haven't lost a life in this run. That's the most important part. If I can get through this level without losing a life, that would be grand. For finishing the game would be even better, but let's not be too optimistic for now. It's a record runner stream, but we're practicing today. I'm not playing today for getting a score, to be honest. But if we get one, I'd be more than happy and finish the other games up as well. Let's see. Oh, hello! It was you I was coming for, so that is lucky, I would say. They're not suicide machines, that's also good. We're at 18,000 points at the moment, so that's also good. And we got good money. So maybe just saving money to get to one of the highest levels and just skip straight. I think buying ladders is better. He says thank you. So let's see. Oh. Well, not often do they offer themselves up that quick, so we take it. Oh, that's a snail invasion right there. Oh. Oh, okay, and? Come on. Yeah, we needed the brown one, so we only need the... Oh, we need a purple one. I bet. Here is the cat. You can ask Cake about all the Tetris stuff, Steve, because I only play modern Tetris. I cannot play old Tetris. I'm really bad with the old Tetris. I need the hold pieces and key spins. You know, all this weird stuff. I need that. But Cake can play all Tetris. I can't. But Cake is streaming a lot as well. She's also doing all the runs now on Twitch. Oh, 3 of those little soldiers? Oh, come on. 4. Why I see emoticon in your chat, but I only see catch him in the real Twitch chat. I think that you don't see it on screen. I see it on my stream chat. Or do you mean you don't see it on your own Twitch chat? Oh, hey, we take those. That will save us a lot of time. We can just skip the level. I mean, we were done anyways with the level, but hey, we can hurry up. That's cool. Yeah, he would give us the ladder now, but hey, I got the Turbo S. The Turbo S is the best item because it gives you all the ladders and you're done with the level basically if you use it. So, level complete. I use don't see maybe you don't have 7 TV or better Twitch TV. It's a browser extension. Those are the free extensions you need for all the features and emotes, so you can even have compressor on your stream when watching and stuff like that. We need purple, right? We need purple, right? Oh, we get nothing. That's fair. I mean, it's not fair, but what can I do now? They won't keep coming, will they? Okay, I think it's time to escape this. Come on. I need to work my way forward. Okay. That wasn't fun. That's the bunny we need later on in this level. But now, let's see if I can trigger the left side boss. Can I trigger the boss? Oh! No! Oh, that's not fair. No item this time around? Come on. Let's try it one more time. Okay. The big face in the background. Okay, and we're gonna check real quick which heart I'm missing. Ah, the gray heart. We're missing the gray heart. Okay. Oh, okay, you know what? We're gonna take the gray heart here because 1 up, more important right now. Okay. Nice, and it gives us points as well. And I think buying time is not a bad idea. Good money. There is the guy with the scroll. Thank you. Okay, now I think rabbit. Yeah, rabbit. So we go to the left now. Then I get the boss on the right with the money room. I think this might be the run. Yeah, there's the rabbit. We got the better shot now as well, so we can make more damage. Yeah, 2 shot now. That's good. Okay, he wants us to kill a rat. But we have to go, first of all, to the right and get... Yes. Let's get that money room and then the boss. Here. Perfect, that's good money. Now let's get the boss for an extra 1k points. Eliminate that egg. And when you come back now... There he is. So we have 35, 8, 10 now? Yes. But there's a second one hiding at the ground then soon. Yeah, there. They're hard to see. I think the rat we need is on the very left. So starting level 3 you need that upgrade. That's just something you cannot change. We have another heart, but then again I think we just go for the rat and try to finish the level because we're on 4 lives. Me personally that seems good, but now we need to find that rat. Ah, we found the rat. And okay, now owl guy. It's also more to the left, but they can be both sides, so yeah. And now we need to kill an egg. Which of the 3 though? Which of the 3? Ah. I'm excited to see now. 49-10. Okay, now he wants us to kill the boss on... Oh no, we're done. Interesting. Biggie being spooky? What? Thank you for the follow, Steve. Oh, aliens. And I have to kill so many wonderful creatures. Oh, you don't have to, Steve. Don't make too much work. If you wanna chill, you just chill. I'm happy about that already. Oh, that heart has a different color? Let's see about this. Oh, wait. Money? We never say no to money. Starting this level, you need that extra shot. Otherwise, you have no chance at all. Oh, we gotta find that bat. I have a feeling she must be here somewhere soon. Ah, yeah, that's the hidden money room. That's fair. Let's clear this now. This is gonna be difficult. And I'm already on world record, so now I need to really focus. Sorry for not being as active in chat right now. But we want to see if we can maybe even finish the whole game. To have a fully packed run. Those are the best. Okay, good money. Hidden coffee bean room. Uh-huh. I don't know what this is, but we take it. We got a ladder with a balloon. It's a flying ladder. Who is going to get that ladder? What happens if I give this to the wizard? I'm gonna skip this because I have this already. I don't want to lose this cool balloon. Boom. Money we take. That we said already. That was close. We don't want to lose a life. Okay, what does this do? Aha. A letter. Ah, it was a random letter just by some enemy. Cool. That was cool. Or maybe letters look like this in this world. Okay, now we have to figure everything out. And this is going to be quite different now. Like that they can fly, but they drop stuff? How do they have flying enemies drop stuff? Yes, that's the perk of World 4 or 5, whatever we're at. Ah, there we go. Oh, flying ladders is the new thing in this world. That's cool. And I have to put my good money towards time soon again, I think. Let's see how good Flimbo can do. Can Flimbo go further? Okay, I don't like this at all. That's better. CL, subway ride goes by super fast while watching. Nice. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Cake. Thank you, everyone, for participating and hopefully having an okay time. The run seems to work right now. We put so much work into our last runs to get through all the Amiga games, so I can finally start playing stuff like Super Nintendo and so on as well. Oh, got a heart on the way. Got this climbing guy who's climbing for no reason. Game has everything. So we're gonna take all of this back. Oh, he jumped the Oh, that was scary. Okay, we got blue and purple. Okay, he's the guy we need. That's also good. Blue, purple, and another letter. Okay, now we need one of these climbers, and there was one to the right. Okay, it's not him. Okay. If it's not him, then we just get rid of him for fun. Oh, that sounds devilish. Okay. Oh, it's not that bad. I just have to get my upgrade for my shots now. But we're gonna get this guy, get the ladder back before we spend any points. But now you see they're tanky. So where's that climbing guy? Maybe there's one to the very right. Oh, they won't stop coming now. They need to let me go through at one point, so I just make my way. Making my way downtown. Ah! Now they're getting stressful. I'm gonna get Invul and some time. Now I can get there faster. There we go. Give me that ladder. Thank you. There was one to the very right. We just didn't go far enough. Imagine. A bee now. A wasp. And I think the wasp are to the left again, right? And that's a rare. Oh. We need that. We got blue and purple. That I remember. So we're gonna take this. That's a very welcome gift. Because now we need gray and we're good again. Fuck. Ah, that's not good. We lost our power shot again. Oh no, this is so bad. Okay. We need power shot. Game, come on. Gray heart. Just a gray heart. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna buy that one letter. And maybe we get a gray heart in the next level. It's too dangerous already. Yeah, that was level 4. Oh no, they're fast! Oh no, they're super fast and aggressive. Look at them. They do karate. What is happening in this world? Whoa! Of course there are worms that turn into butterflies. I'm dead. No! 63,605. That's a new world record, but we didn't finish the game. 63,685.